Hi, today we're in Anza-Borrego, Desert State Park. We're in Henderson Canyon. Got this beautiful Superbloom going on. Our little desert sand verbena coming up here, looking all nice and purple. Little desert sunflowers, or a hairy desert sunflower, because he's got that hairy filaries down there. Canescens. It's a Spanish needle. This guy here. And our plant today is this guy. He's called a desert chicory. He's an Asteraceae. Also called a New Mexico plume seed. Look at that. Rafinesquia neomexicana. Wow, he's an Asteraceae, right? So the ray florets on the outside, they taper into the little disc flowers on the inside. Little stamen and anthers are kind of popping up there. So he's an annual, weak-stemmed, but he's upright. Gray-green plant with showy, large, white flowers. That's how we describe this guy right here. He gets to be about 6 to 20 inches tall. He likes sandy, look how sandy that is, gravelly locations. He grows in California, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, Mojave, Sonoran deserts, and usually around our creosote bushes like this guy here, Laria tridentata, creosote bush. Wow, and he looks like a white tack stem, but the tack stem has sticky stems, and our chicory here has really smooth stems. Wow. So he grows out of a taproot down in the bottom here. You see they got one stem or several branching stems which come up and they're smooth and they're hairless. But it does have a milky sap if you broke this. And it's a little gray-green. They got a little zigzag shape going on. Zigzag, zigzag up to the top. Sometimes he hangs onto other shrubs for support. He is kind of weak. You can see how I kind of maneuver him around here. And each stem is topped off by up to 5 flower heads. This guy's in bloom. See all these flower heads just ready to come up? Wow. He's got very few leaves. The leaves here, let's find them. There we go. Little gray-green right there. See that little leaf right there? He's narrow, oblong. He actually can get up to 8 inches long. He's got little thin lobes on the edges. Little tiny leaves on this guy though. And the larger leaves are always on the bottom. Right here, see? Larger leaves on the bottom, they're kind of lobed like that. And they taper to smaller leaves as you get to the top, where we have these beautiful flowers. This guy flowers from March to May. Got this white, bright flower head. He's about 1.5 inches across. And they occur singularly at the tips here, but always with little brothers and sisters. And they're little buds that are ready to come up. And the ray florets here, they're overlapping, they're strap-shaped, they're flattened, they're squared off at the tip with these little notches here, or teeth. You get 5 little notches there, if you can see them, right on the end of the ray florets. And the longest ray floret gets to be about 2/3 of an inch long. And the undersides of the florets here, sometimes they're a little light purple or pinkish, little bands there. That's how you know this guy's a chicory. Wow, and the margins are always white. Anyway, he attracts lots of butterflies and small insects. And the seeds of this guy are eaten by lots of birds. And the seed heads are, seeds, here we go. See a little fluffy right there? Fluffy seed head. Little shiny white plumes that come out. That's why they call him a nickname of that plume seed, because his seeds have little hairy plumes. Wow, and he reseeds each year. Little gray pappus-like bristles on these little seeds here. Look at that, little bristly. Anyway, this guy's great. Look at that chicory we have here. Just beautiful flower underneath the purple stripes on the ray florets. But he kind of is all alone out here in our beautiful Superbloom. Wow. And I said to find him best if he clings onto other plants, because he's kind of weak. How about that? All the way out here in Henderson Canyon. Fantastic. All right, thanks for watching my video, and have a great day. Bye.